Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're looking to streamline your investment tracking, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to link your Wealthfront account to Quicken. Wealthfront is a popular robo-advisor platform that helps you automate investments, while Quicken is a powerful personal finance software that keeps all your money matters in one spot. By linking them, you can sync your portfolio data effortlessly, saving you time and reducing manual errors. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both platforms and that you're logged in. You'll need your Wealthfront login credentials and access to Quicken on your computer or app. Start by heading over to your Wealthfront dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Export Data section. Most users find this under Settings. Here, you can generate a CSV file of your transaction history or account balances. If Wealthfront offers direct API connections, check for that option, but CSV export is the most common method. Once you have your data exported, open Quicken and navigate to the File menu, then select Import or Add Account. Choose the option for importing from a file, and upload that CSV from Wealthfront. Quicken will prompt you to map the columns, like date, amount, and description, to its own format. Take a moment to double-check this to ensure everything aligns correctly. If you run into issues, like mismatched data, try adjusting the date formats or using Quicken's built-in tools to clean up the import. After the import, verify your linked data by reviewing your Quicken dashboard. You should see your Wealthfront investments reflected accurately. Pro tip: set up automatic imports if possible, so your data stays current without extra effort. This integration not only helps with budgeting but also gives you a holistic view of your finances. There you have it. Linking Wealthfront to Quicken is simpler than you might think. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Happy investing!